Hi, Maureen Coughlin here on location and excited to show you my newest listing at 606 East Main Street in Chicopee, Massachusetts. Come tour this large 3-bedroom, 2 full bath colonial style home located in a convenient neighborhood featuring over 1,100 square feet of living space. Let's go take a look. This remodeled property offers an eat-in kitchen with new insulated wood flooring, heated front porch, the freshly painted living room, a brand new full bath, and 1 bedroom on the main level. Upstairs you'll find additional remodeled full bath and 2 more bedrooms with huge walk-in closets, all freshly painted and with a new wall-to-wall carpet. So much has been done to update this house, such as new roof, new electrical, new plumbing, and a new driveway with a turnaround. Extend your living space outside to the private backyard with plenty of room to garden and a garage to park your car and store your outdoor tools. I hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 606 East Main Street in Chicopee, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me at the number below. Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Well, I didn't do the whole thing. Was that all right? Home. Whoops, I gotta do that. Did that come out right?
You are watching a master